Hi everyone, today we're making a really simple craft. It's this paper fan with a handle. It's just a clothespin basically. It takes like 2 seconds, you probably don't even need a tutorial, but just in case you didn't think of it on your own somehow. Here, because it'll be nice making some if you go to like a concert or family get together or whatever. Something that's outside, no air conditioning, and it's hot. And there's no breeze or anything that'll cool you off. You can just have one of these. They're real easy. If you don't trust this handle, because like if you squeeze it, it comes off, you could always glue it on or put like or band around it or something. But as long as you don't squeeze real hard, it stays real good, pretty good. So yeah, what you'll need is a piece of paper, whatever color you want. I made a pink one, so I'm making a purple one. A clothespin, which you can just use normal clothespin if you want. But as you can see, I colored mine because it makes them just prettier. I made this one purple and this one pink, so yeah, and they're metallic because I used these paint markers I have. They're called painters, and they're pearlescent, so it's like all shiny like that. They're these. But you don't have to do it. I did it off camera because it's not needed. It just makes them look pretty. You could draw on with Sharpie, whatever you wanted. Pencil even if you don't like it. Or you could just leave them plain. And if you wanted to paint them, you could also take the metal out and then actually like take them apart and paint them all the way, so you can see inside there is still burnt, still in there, and you can see right here where this metal is. The metal got painted a little bit, and the wood underneath didn't. You could take them apart and paint them, make them look actually really nice, but this is good for me. I like the little bit of a wood look. I don't know why, I just do. So yeah, what you need to do with paper, I found a way to make it fairly even like this looking. Is you take your paper, fold it in half. Now, look, this is the short way. This is the long way. You want it the short way, and fold it this way. Meet up the corners best you can. And everything like that. It's not perfect, we don't really care. If you're going somewhere, you can make this to like match your outfit or whatever, and be like your accessory. Like that, and then you can just fold it this way, because then it'll be more evenly spaced, because you'll be folding less times. You just fold it over back and forth on itself. That size look good to me. You don't want it to be too like thick, otherwise it'll just stick too much out of your clothespin. This one's actually going to be thinner than the other. It's just because it is. And then you just fold it back on itself. You probably know how to make a fan. It's really easy. And then you fold it back again. And then you fold it back again. You try to keep it even if you can. Mine's already a little crooked, but it'll live. And keep folding it back and forth. It's hard to show you because I had to fold it down in my leg, but you get the idea. Just fold it like this. And then I'll fold it. I think I can get this. I'll fold this one a little bit too skinny, because then I can fold that one last little bit again. If it's not perfectly even, it doesn't matter. You can like measure it if you felt like it and make it perfectly even and divide it all out, but I don't feel like doing that. It's a paper fan. Does that look good? It does. It looks fine. It's not perfectly even. And then I have it like this, and then I just open it back up, and then I just take one side and fold it until I get to where it stops folding. And I fold this like this. And then I have to fold parts of these back on themselves because I made the fold line. Now I've got to fold them in the correct direction because of the way we folded it. You could just fold it normally. It'd probably be easier, but maybe it wouldn't. I don't know. This is just how I decided to do it. Make more steps. I don't know why. I feel like this way it's more, the other way you're doing the actual lines, it's more like stable and it's less likely to get bent in the wrong place because it's just one last piece of paper to deal with. And then you can just fold this back on the lines and then it just works good. And then you just take whatever your clothespin is, if you colored it or not. I colored mine because I wanted it to be pretty. And then you just put it up, you want to get it all the way on because then it'll have a good grip on there. And then you just pull this part open like that. And voila. And if you wanted to like leave this in your car or in your bag and you want it to be less big, you could, take the clothespin off this one. You could always have a second clothespin and close this end, the other end like this, and then it takes up only that much space. And now you go like this, and you go boom, fan. So yeah, really kind of simple, but they still look cute especially because I colored the clothespins, so they're extra cute like that. So yeah, if you like simple, really easy crafts, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!